Hello SchoolBic users, in this tutorial video I will show you how to disable modules in your school management system. Your school management system is packed with plenty of features, and depending on your institution model, some feature will not be useful. To have a more focused system, disable the module that you will not be using. For you to be able to disable modules in the system, you must be registered as the system super admin. So I will log into the super admin portal of my demo school management system and navigate to the administrative tasks module. From the drop-down menu, select the general settings module and select the activated modules. From here you can see the modules in your school management system. Modules that are selected is activated in your school management system. To disable a module that is not useful for your needs, simply unselect that module, just the way I'm doing it on this video, and scroll down and click the edit setting to save the changes. If you have a question regarding this tutorial video, do not hesitate to get in touch with us or contact your account manager. We'd be glad to hear from you. Thank you for using SchoolBic.